Oh my God, bro! इतना बड़ा grill, bro. What car is this?
This is the new Toyota Vellfire.
And how much does it cost?
Rupees 1.59 crore only.
Bro, यहाँ पे तो HEV लिखा है, तो tell me, is this a hybrid? Yes, I suppose it is hybrid. Engine क्या है? Mileage क्या है?
2.5 liter hybrid powertrain with an e-CVT transmission, 193 PS of power, 240 Nm of torque. माइलेज देती है 14-15 का तो आराम से डे टू डे यूजेज में.
वाह. Who actually buys this car and why do they buy it?
Of course, rich people buy this car because इतनी महंगी गाड़ी है, but they buy it because they want rear seat luxury. जो पूरा दिन मेहनत करते, काम करते, लाइफ में इतना आगे बढ़ते, उनको थोड़ा आराम भी चाहिए या फिर ऑन द गो काम भी करना होता है. This is why they buy this car, ताकि पीछे की सीट में आराम से बैठ सके. Just look at the rear seat over here. क्रेजी कंफर्ट मिल जाता है, which is why they buy this car. And of course, being a Toyota, थोड़ा कम हेडेक मिलता है ये गाड़ी से.
Wow, यार ये बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable है. So tell me one thing, tell me two things. What do you like, what you don't like?
What I like about this car is, of course, the space, the comfort, the refinement, the ride quality, the power on offer, and of course, Toyota's reliability. I like a lot of things about this car. What I don't like, well, only one thing, the sheer size of this car, which makes it very cumbersome to drive and park in the city.
यार this is the pure luxury. Tell me, are there any rivals for it?
Now the Vellfire doesn't have any direct rivals, but ये price point पे आपको Mercedes GLS मिलेगी, BMW X7 मिलेगी, Audi Q8, Q7 ये दोनों मिल जाएगी. But again, these are SUVs, not MPVs. अगर आपको MPV ही चाहिए, then you have the Lexus LM, which is a little more expensive compared to this. Again, essentially it is the same car, but in a rebadged avatar with some different changes inside out. तो वो थोड़ी महंगी आ जाती है. And if you want an MPV on a slightly lesser cost, तो फिर Kia Carnival जो नई वाली है, you get that for half the price of the Vellfire. 75-80 लाख रुपीस में वो एक अच्छी गाड़ी मिल जाती है आपको.
Rated out of 10.
Out of 10, I'd get a rating of 9. What about you? And what about you guys?
10 on 10 यार, मैं फिदा हो गया इस पे.
आप लोग बताओ नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में.